Hey guys, welcome to Travel and Fun. So today's vlog is also a cooking vlog. It's also a very easy snack. It's a kind of instant snack which can be made with a very easily available ingredients in all our kitchen. That is pappad or pappadam. That is available. Almost in every home it will be available in your kitchen. So we are making a quick and easy crispy snack with that pappadam. It is called pappad boli. It's like one of my favorite snack what my mom will make for me. So I'll share you that same recipe with you. So please try that recipe and let me know if you like that in the comment section below, and please like and subscribe to our channel and share this video if you like this video. So let's get started without wasting any more time. For making pappad boli, the ingredients are 1 cup rice flour and 1 tablespoon sesame seed, black sesame seed, and 1 teaspoon chili powder, and a quarter teaspoon asafoetida or hing, and a pinch of turmeric powder, and the main ingredient pappad. Let's add all the ingredients in a bowl and let's give them a quick mix. After that, let's add some water and make it a thin batter. The batter should be thin, only then the pappad will be coated with the batter evenly. And one thing you have to keep in mind is the pappad what we are using should be like a crispy one, because if the pappad is soft, if it is foldable, then the pappad boli also will be like very it will not be crispy. So better if your pappad is foldable, then keep them in sunlight for 10 minutes so that the pappad will lose all its moisture. Okay, now this batter is done, and now let's coat the pappad with the batter and let's dip it in hot boiling oil. See, we are dipping it in. To cook evenly, let's press the pappad in the oil, and now when one side is golden brown, turn it to the other side so that the other side also will cook evenly. Now I think the pappad is done. Let's take it out. When you take it out, the pappad will not be that crispy. Don't worry, after 5 minutes the pappad will become very crispy. Trust me guys, this is a simple and easy snack. Don't you think it is? And now let's make 5 more of this, and I'm going to top it up with some rock salt and chili powder just to give a splash of flavor. That's it. Now our dish is done. This dish can be stored in an airtight container for more than 15 to 20 days. So you can also save it for later. So please try this. It's really crispy guys. I'll show you how crispy it is. I hope you all liked my video. So if you like this, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Till then, it's bye from me.